Before hypersonic missiles, there was the SR-71 Blackbird, a jet so fast it outran threats at the edge of space. The SR-71 Blackbird was the world's fastest and highest-flying operational manned aircraft during its service from 1964 to 1998. Designed for high-altitude reconnaissance, it routinely cruised above 80,000 feet at speeds exceeding Mach 3. In 1976, the aircraft set an absolute speed record of 1,905.81 knots, more than 2,193 miles per hour, a mark that still stands for air-breathing manned aircraft. Built largely from titanium to withstand extreme heat generated at top speed, the Blackbird remains one of the most legendary aircraft ever flown.